to explore the psychological, thematic, and aesthetic power of production design and mise-en-scène in shaping film mood. This module investigates how the arrangement of space, color, texture, props, and set dressing contributes to the emotional architecture of a scene and influences the viewer's subconscious engagement with the film. In-depth content overview I. Defining mise-en-scène and production design. A. What is mise-en-scène? Derived from French theater, mise-en-scène translates to putting on stage. In film, it refers to everything visible within the frame, all the elements placed before the camera to convey story, atmosphere, and meaning. Mise-en-scène includes set design and decor, props, costumes and makeup lighting, color, spatial composition, actor blocking and movement. B. What is production design? Production design is the artistic discipline responsible for the creation and coordination of all visual elements on a film set. The production designer works closely with the director and director of photography to manifest the physical world of the film. Production design is the strategic and conceptual backbone of mise-en-scène. Second, visual mood and emotional meaning. Mood is not just a result of what happens in a film, but how it looks, feels, and breathes. The synergy of design, space, and visuals tells the viewer how to feel without a word being spoken. A. Color psychology in design. Warm colors, red, orange, yellow, evoke passion, comfort, energy, or danger. Cool colors, blue, green, purple, induce calm, sadness, detachment, or isolation. Muted, desaturated colors suggest realism, nostalgia, melancholy. High saturation, contrast colors signal heightened emotion, surrealism, or intensity. B. Texture and materiality, glossy surfaces, modernity, coldness, wealth. Wooden interiors, warmth, nostalgia, tradition. Concrete, industrial textures, alienation, dystopia. Cluttered environments, anxiety, chaos, mental clutter. Minimalist environments, emptiness, control, sterility. The architecture of emotion, space and environment. How space is structured influences psychological mood. Open, vast spaces equal to freedom, vulnerability, insignificance. Claustrophobic spaces equal to anxiety, intimacy, entrapment. Symmetrical design equal to balance, control, or unnatural precision, e.g., the Grand Budapest Hotel. Asymmetrical or chaotic composition equal to disruption, unpredictability. A. Blocking and framing. Foreground, background tension. Emotional distance or internal conflict. Barriers within the frame, windows, mirrors, fences. Isolation, inner division, surveillance. Frame within a frame. Entrapment, voyeurism, loss of freedom. Fourth, time and place as emotional strategy. Historical settings often create emotional distance or aesthetic nostalgia. Futuristic settings can elicit awe, fear, or detachment. The weather, rain, fog, sunlight, acts as an emotional metaphor. Rain equal to sorrow, cleansing, rebirth. Fog equal to mystery, uncertainty, confusion. Bright sunlight equal to clarity, honesty, exposure. V. Symbolic design in genre films. A. Horror. Cracked walls, abandoned spaces, unnatural geometry, flickering lights, blood-stained props, rotting materials. Mood, dread, decay, psychological collapse. B. Romance. Soft lighting, lush fabric, floral motifs, pastel tones, circular compositions, cozy spaces. Mood, warmth, longing, hope. C. Science fiction, cold steel, futuristic architecture, sterile surfaces, digital interfaces, LED glows, holograms. Mood, intellectualism, alienation, awe. D. Fantasy-rich fabrics, intricate set pieces, earthy elements. Mood, wonder, mythic elevation, escapism. Sixth case studies. Mise-en-scène and mood mastery, Her, 2013. Director, Spike Jonze, pastel color palette, minimalist futurism. Mood, intimate loneliness in a techno-utopia. The Shining, 1980. Director: Stanley Kubrick, labyrinthine hotel design, harsh lighting, symmetry. Mood, isolation, dread, psychological horror. Amélie, 2001. Director: Jean-Pierre Jeunet, saturated reds and greens, whimsical props. Mood, magical realism, emotional warmth. Children of Men, 2006. Director: Alfonso Cuarón Gritty, grimy, handheld realism. Mood, hopelessness, raw urgency. Seventh director, designer collaboration. The production designer does not merely build sets. They create emotional architecture. Their collaboration with the director determines the emotional color of the narrative. The director envisions the emotional tone. The designer manifests that emotion in physical, tangible space. Eighth, practical exercises. Mood board creation. Compile visual references for a given emotional tone. Include colors, textures, props, architectural inspiration. Design a scene. Choose a script page and design the set, color palette, and spatial blocking for the desired mood. Film still analysis. Deconstruct the mise-en-scène of iconic scenes and articulate how mood is communicated non-verbally. Redesign exercise. Take a known film scene and redesign it with a different mood, e.g., romantic, horror. Key terms: mise-en-scène, blocking, visual balance, spatial depth, color theory, prop symbolism, texture, period design, visual metaphor, environmental storytelling. Hope you join Earth Tab Business School in the next module. I look forward to congratulating you upon the completion of this course.